adeɛ kakra a savvy baby any go stars and say Rich breakum chance some last time I catch you omo season in a wie omo nko relegation omo so omo team in G League no
41 points.
That is the reason why I has a pulley off that resource no enti unless a bia baby any gitum say league no omo konya but omo game then they will not venture that game way with the seriousness and all that we know about Ghana football. Rich, what excuse na Kotoko not to beat Mediama El Baba Sports Stadium? Just to wait for other results and see whether interestingly they are back in the race or not. Because Kotoko ni Mediama game ni die. Mediama any opportunity to win the league. Mediama enko relegation. But who Kotoko die based on the results from Holy Stars nations any breakum no, you can reinvent yourself and come back into the discussion. Say yeah, petit me league you know on the last day obeka ho. And Kotoko last game ni against Vision. Only Vision opponent this weekend in Swatremai.
To no wajene 3.
What you say? Eti by the time Kotoko beko tema New Town no. No Vision the baby ye kama. Asa Kotoko here sa 3 points no. E dia G League no nko dia Rich. So many brother will get it. Enti just for Kotoko to get the opportunity and say oh, yeah Kotema New Town no. Rich see etimi ko share ni get 3 points ah. You are going to win the league, no? They will have to first beat Mediama this weekend. Those are the dynamics, no? To their Cobra, Miriam is sending me code, but by the time I be trying, no
problem.
It will be ready. I debate to Rich.
Coffee,
yeah, Rich. For me, nations are G-League, no? Nothing. BBN will beat him and stop you.
And 3 points,
but nations just need 4 points to win the league. BBN goal starts with 57 points. I got 2 games, which is 6 points they are at stake. Air games team. So BBN go starts in your 6 points in Yana or being 63 points. Nation just need 4 points to add to more out of almost 6 no more to get 64 to win the league.
4 points, you know. Against Baseke away.
Baseke draw no. Send now can
against Baseke away against Heart of Lions at home.
Heart of Lions at home. Okay. Nations that end your budget
because on set Lions was all home fishers now. Home games in away. The only home game on Boboye against the Ayala can see no. It is a Bashir for the super so BBI says I no say.
BBN one Bashir for best way. BBN well baby.
And you maybe okay say Bashir for the league no.
No when you budget but
feel rich yenye me say move league table nto ayi so. Say me I'm saying this tentatively. Rich, say nations and to me and share Holy Stars.
Yeah.
Now say Heart of Lions a winner. What will be the scenario in the last game?
Lions was shot. I didn't call 57.
57.
Yeah.
Nations I was saying.
Nations were 60.
It means that the last game, no, whatever happens, the BCBR no, say Lions a share the match and stand with him.
So I'm saying say.
But in the nations here lose this weekend, because on your 4 points no. Into this weekend no, Uncle draw. On your lose the we start from square. Friend say
that's a Ghost Stars so quite we.
Ghost Stars are quite we.
I'm so quite we.
But Ghost Stars no see. Ghost Stars so show so you 6 points no to stand a chance. At this point in time, Ghost Stars Heart of Lions. They have to get more points than nations.
Including Kotoko. Also, we need 6 points.
And some was standing because 5 points is not possible. Yeah. At least 6 points to stand a chance. But nations the any crown.
Onya phobia.
Onya for aje. Onya for mathematically we den waje. Iti Baseke dey no kwakobo this weekend no. Baby Okon yes, a dreaded grounds. They know him. The Kumasi coach, they coach on and omo the relegation zone. But Yakawa has to say nations are the best away team or league in him. Iti going away, draw. On your draw the NZ, they can see me already. But
you see, Fiifi, the 4 points are nations in here.
Yeah.
So, over 2 games, and your 4 points are. Then it means you must win one.
At least there's a winning back. Yeah.
you must win one and draw one.
Yeah.
It means say 4 points and mathematically they here. Then the 2 games in the one nation says which they can lose.
Yeah.
What? Because and you 3 points.
When you have 4.
And you 4. And you 2.
Shabak and draw back.
What is and you 2? It means that nations so 2 games not going anymore.
Yeah.
They can't lose any of them. They just can't lose any of them. And the 4 points no more. Fiifi, even if they get the draw against Baseke, to get 4, so you need to add 3. So you need to beat out of Lions.
Yeah. I love it. See, against Samatex at home, no me follow match. Man, I was following the game. First half, Nations in Shego. But second half,
we have a cancer.
The way I go, start to say battle. And I'm saying, I say go for a second half. The way they on the goes now. It maybe I just enter and make us say emphatically.
And you be you see, reach the Fiifi Ghana League now. What it takes to win Ghana League no?
Yeah.
And you know my baby. And let me say this. The nations free Basakeba.
Yeah.
Fee. Na one question and ya 3 points. Obia bembe buse oh. The nations are question Basakedia. Say open 1 point to Abankesia. Obenya and Obe winning league no. Na say ebe 3 points. Till oh yeah 3 maximum points.
That's winning.
I also say.
Yeah.
Na say 1 Heart of Lions our chance say Ocean Nations obetimi age league ana any of Kotoko or baby any Gold Stars enim say should Heart of Lions deny Nations 3 maximum points our Brankesia almost a chance to play the league. Do you know what happens? They play their game and they help Heart of Lions play Nations. Minimum say they make an chance. Say ebedu sa game no with Heart of Lions. Na Lions na ka say here bibi o sa game ni. Na any of holy baby any Gold Stars and Kotoko. And here Heart of Lions to do something against Nations to win. Rich, what it means that they will not only play their game, but they will help Heart of Lions.
It means that Nations na ayeno because mention last season table no home form. Samatex lusu match back coupe ofie on your 48 points.
I know Crown Nations na kwacha omo.
Yes.
48 points. But this season home form Nations that sees 33 points.
Onya 6
ne kraka on 40. Na say ebuke ma Nations home form no because Ghana League dey be ka say o she ofie ubetimi age.
Sure.
Let's let my men away last one. Asama mechanics is here. Let me reverse it. Na me fan 2 million Alexis for. Asama mechanics is here.
Nation see you.
Me reverse no. Na me dey 2. Ye nwa Alexis any divine mofo. Se ombeso munya asumdwe. Ebo omo last game na. Ewa Brankesi against Heart of Lions na. This weekend. They shouldn't only play against Holy Stars.
Omo bi dey ma no.
They should make sure so by the time they are coming home.
I don't know about
how to motivate Obi to play a game.
Okay,
Obi create behind bars.
Okay.
You just motivate and now I'm a woman
bonus.
What I say? I'm a woman Brankesi. I'm a conform a book game ni be my opponent. Before they also think of that. This weekend. Manko Fosuno sa opponents anymore. So by the time they will not even get the energy and the platform to come and fight you.
Bema wo Johnson ni mu pai ebikam eyawo eni moja edi akira ana